This is my quick review of this TAURI case for iPhone 17 Pro. So out of the box, the only thing that comes inside is the case itself. You'll have to remove a small protector film that is on the outside, and this is about it. You'll be able to use it. Now, as you notice, this case has one of these white cards, I don't know how you can call this, white paper around the Magsafe charging ring over here, and this cannot be removed. So this is why it's important that if you have a white iPhone, to get the case that has the white paper. And they also make these different colors so it matches the color of your iPhone 17 Pro. Otherwise, the cutouts look very precise, and all the buttons are covered apart the camera control app. Over here there's absolutely nothing. The volume buttons are covered, and even the action button is also covered. There is no branding on the case itself. If we look closely, there's no, the TAURI logo doesn't appear anywhere. And in terms of flexibility, I would say it's medium. It's not the most flexible case, which is great, by the way. It definitely keeps its shapes when you try to bend it.